Let's do a quick get ready with me. What are these birds? I'll go down. Don't worry. DW. My cameraman turned off my camera. I had one job. Don't turn off the camera. Should I go over there? Let's move. Let's move. Okay. Well, no need. My little hairpin. I think it's purple is cute with the green. I had these before coming. I need to not move the table. I had these before coming here, and everybody has them here, so I don't feel as original. I ordered them online, and I received a pack of tiny ones. I thought it was big ones. I'm not gonna use the table because it's moving. What should I say? Welcome to the channel. We're in Bali. No, we're in... Where are we? We've been moving around quite a bit, so we are in Lombok currently. We'll only be staying 3 nights here, and then we'll move to another hotel, and then we'll go back home. I recorded it again, a get ready with me in the previous hotel. Now we're just gonna do a little get ready with me. Yeah, I already have moisturizer and sun cream. What do you call it? I forgot. Sun cream, I think. So we landed in Bali, right? And then we stayed a few nights in the hotel there. We took like 2 hours to get there by car. It's very, very far, and to get to here, seriously, it was so long. We took the car for like 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, I don't even know, at like 6 a.m. and then we took the boat, and it was horrible. The boat was leaking, there was water inside. Thank God we had like the little, you know, plain dizziness medication. Otherwise, I think I would puke for sure. It was a bit tough, but when you get here, the climate is like so different. It's crazy. Over there, it was raining the whole time. We're in June. It's not supposed to be like rainy season, but it's just raining all the time. And over here, as you can see, like the weather is much better. I actually kind of like the rain because you don't get too hot. Here you do get hot, and also I don't like getting tan. I don't like the feeling of it. It hurts. I don't like it because I have to burn before I get tan. Like, that's how my body works. I have never gotten tan. I just don't like it, and I don't see the point. It doesn't last that long. I don't like it. And also I'm currently getting laser hair removal, so like I have to be very careful with, well, my legs, my armpits. Usually I'm not like standing like this in the sun, so it's fine, but like I have to be careful with like my entire legs basically, so that's a bit annoying too. But that's on me, like that's not on the weather or anything. So we're going to do very quick look. I am currently out of outfits too. This is the moment where you start stealing clothes. For eyes, I used a clear powder and then a brown powder. Housekeeping. In 10 minutes is okay? Yeah, thank you. Huh? I'm done, I'm almost done. Then I have my liquid blush, Laura Mercier. It was on sale. I like it. It's really pigmented, so I do very few drops. And let's do a little bit on the nose too. And then for bronzer, my MAC one and only that I've had on each and every single one of my videos for years, and it's almost done. I don't know what I'm gonna do after this. What do you mean it's gonna finish? What do you mean? It's the only thing I've used for like years. There we go. And then for lips, I don't need mascara, that's straight. I don't need this guy. For lips, I don't know if I'm gonna do liner or not. I don't really want to. Let's do very quick liner. And then I have this gloss, tiny gloss, that I'm going to apply over it and just blend the whole thing. And then last but not least, my favorite part, forever and always, these guys, they keep eating. They keep getting here and they don't eat anything. They just sit on the breakfast thing and they don't take anything. Yes? How may I help you, sir? Why did you just sit there? Yeah? No. I don't know what they want. We gladly try to offer them some food, but they're not interested. They just want to sit and like make noise and then leave. So yeah, a little bit of highlighter. No, I don't know why I did that. I never do that. And then for my hair, I think I'm gonna put it up. I have this that we're gonna be on a bike, so like that's not a good idea. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep this on my hair, and then I can remove it in the bike. Normally I use like a leave-in conditioner for my hair, but I left it in another suitcase that we left at the other hotel. So like it's not as curly. It's like kind of wavy, and it was the only thing I used since this trip. I never dried my hair because it's too hot to do it, and like I used to apply it and like sleep in wet hair, and it was like really curly, but now it's this. So and for this we're just gonna do a little knot like this and put it underneath, and that's it for the look. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you didn't like it. Hope you liked it though. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Just put the camera here.
Tuossa on ihan kautta.
Let's see.
Ah.
The ocean. Are you recording for me all the time?